Hello and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about mammals. Can you think of some animals which are mammals? From the smallest mouse to the tallest giraffe, there are many different types of mammals. Even the blue whale is a mammal. But what are the common features of mammals? Let's find out. Mammals give birth to live offspring. Their young grow inside the female until they are ready to be born. A lion gives birth to cubs. A horse gives birth to a foal. And a dog gives birth to puppies. Mammals feed their young milk, like this sheep. This pig can feed lots of piglets, all at the same time. Mammals are warm-blooded. This means mammals can keep their body at a constant temperature. When it is cold, mammals can keep themselves warm. When it is hot, they can cool themselves down. Mammals have fur and hair. Some mammals have very thin hairs. Some mammals have thick fur. And some mammals have whiskers. Mammals need to breathe air to survive. Some mammals, like this dolphin, live in water, but they do not have gills like a fish. Instead, an air hole on top of their head allows them to breathe air. So what are the common features of mammals? All mammals give birth to live offspring and feed their young milk. They are warm-blooded and have hair or fur. All mammals need to breathe air in order to survive. Are humans mammals? Yes, humans are mammals. We give birth to live offspring and we feed our young milk. We are warm-blooded and we have hairs all over our bodies. We also need to breathe air to survive. Are killer whales mammals? Yes, killer whales are also mammals. They give birth to live offspring and feed their young milk. They are warm-blooded, and although it is not easy to observe, they have fine hairs on some parts of their body. They also need to breathe air through an air hole in order to survive. Which of these animals is a mammal? A goat, a goldfish, or a lizard? A goat is a mammal. Which of these animals is a mammal? An owl, a cat, or a toad? A cat is a mammal. Which of these animals is a mammal? A crocodile, a parrot, or a fox? A fox is a mammal. For your hands-on activity, create a poster to show the information you know about mammals. For more information about this activity and more activities related to mammals, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 1, Mammals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!